By the end of this video, you'll have a complete free creator toolkit that saves you hundreds of dollars every single month. The same professionals use, zero cost. I had my credit card out, about to pay $500 a month for design tools, stock photos, music licenses, editing software. Then I found out all of it exists for free. Every single thing. I'm giving you the exact websites I use every week to create content. No watermarks, no catch, no subscription. And stick around because the last one is the one nobody talks about, and it might be the most powerful tool on this entire list. Let's go. First up, Unsplash. You know those gorgeous high-res photos you see on brand websites and YouTube thumbnails? A lot of them come from here. Millions of professional photos, free. No attribution needed. Use them commercially right now. I use it every week for thumbnails, blog covers, social posts. It looks expensive. It costs nothing. Number 2, Canva. And yes, I know you've heard of it, but most people are using maybe 10% of what it can actually do. Free templates for thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, logos, video intros. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need a designer. Drag, drop, done. I've been on the free plan for years. It's insane what you can make. Okay, those were the warm-up. Now we get into the ones most creators have never even heard of. Number 3, Mixkit. This one is underrated. Free stock videos, free sound effects, free music tracks, all royalty-free, all safe for YouTube monetization. Need a cinematic intro clip, a transition sound, background music that won't get your video demonetized? It's all here. I replaced a $30 a month subscription with this website alone. Number 4, Pixabay Music. Free music, royalty-free, no copyright strikes, no content ID issues. Thousands of tracks, lo-fi, cinematic, upbeat, podcast-friendly. Filter by mood, BPM, duration. If you've ever had a video muted because of background music, this is your solution. Number 5, FreePrick. Vectors, icons, illustrations, mockups, PSD templates, millions of assets ready to download. You need a specific graphic for a thumbnail, lightning bolt, phone mockup, arrow. It's all here. High quality, free. The free plan gives you daily downloads, more than enough. We're halfway through, and it only gets better from here. These next ones, this is where things get serious. Number 6, Google Fonts and DaFont, 2-in-1. Google Fonts for clean, professional typography. DaFont for bold display fonts that make your thumbnails pop. Typography is what separates amateur content from professional content, and people are still paying for fonts in 2025. Don't. These two websites have everything you need. Number 7, Coolers.co. Hit the spacebar, get a perfect color palette. That's it. Beautiful, harmonious color combinations in seconds. Lock the colors you like, keep generating. Export as hex codes, use it directly in Canva. This replaced a color consultation I was about to pay for. No joke. Number 8, TubeBuddy or vidIQ, free browser extensions. They show you keyword data, tag suggestions, search volume, competition scores, all directly inside YouTube. You stop guessing what to title your videos. You start making data-driven decisions. The free tiers of both tools are genuinely powerful. Start there. We're almost at the last one, and I promise it's worth the wait. Number 9, Notion. Your content calendar, your script library, your ideas database, your brand kit, all in one place for free. The creators who grow consistently aren't just talented, they're organized. Notion is how you stay organized without paying for 5 different apps. And there are hundreds of free creator templates you can duplicate in one click. Number 10, the big one. AI writing tools. Claude, ChatGPT, free plans right now. Script writing, video descriptions, title ideas, hook generation, caption drafts, email newsletters, repurposing your content into 10 different formats. This is not the future. This is what top creators are doing today to produce more content in less time. One tool, zero cost to start, unlimited leverage. This is the one that changes everything. Quick bonus, Coverr.co, free cinematic background videos, perfect for intros, outros, and B-roll. No watermarks, no license issues, and most creators have never even heard of it. Now you have. All 10 websites are linked in the description. Go bookmark them right now. And if this video just saved you money, hit subscribe. I drop videos like this every week. I'll see you in the next one.